Welcome to our in-depth look at Bitcoin's recent price surge. In the last month, Bitcoin has experienced a remarkable upswing, creating waves across the cryptocurrency market. This surge is not just a random spike, but a culmination of various factors, both technical and fundamental, reshaping the landscape of digital currencies. Let's start by taking a look at the numbers. Bitcoin has soared by approximately 39% in the past month, a significant leap from its previous standings. As of now, it's trading at around $37,000, a stark contrast to its performance earlier this year when it struggled to breach the $30,000 mark. Technical indicators play a crucial role in understanding this price movement. Analysts have noted a rare buy signal on the M chart for Bitcoin, a phenomenon last observed 8 years ago. Additionally, Bitcoin has surged above the SMA 20 line, a technical indicator that often signals a bullish trend. The MACD indicator and the relative strength indicator, both crucial tools in a trader's arsenal, are also in the green zone, further supporting the bullish outlook. A key event in technical analysis is the formation of a golden cross, where a shorter-term moving average crosses above a longer-term average. Recently, Bitcoin's 5-day moving average exceeded its 15-day moving average, signaling strong bullish dominance and potential for further price leaps. But it's not just technical factors at play. Institutional influence has been a significant driver. The participation of large-scale investment firms and the anticipated approval of the first Bitcoin spot exchange-traded fund, ETF, are pivotal. These developments not only bring substantial capital into the market, but also add a layer of legitimacy and stability to Bitcoin as an investment asset. We cannot ignore the broader economic context. The global economy is in a state of flux, with inflation and geopolitical tensions causing uncertainty in traditional markets. In such times, Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a digital gold, a safe haven for investors looking to hedge against market volatility. This surge has had a substantial impact on individual wealth as well. The number of Bitcoin millionaires has seen a significant increase, with over 60,000 new millionaires emerging in 2023 alone. This growth is not just a statistic. It reflects the increasing trust and adoption of Bitcoin by a broader audience. However, it's essential to approach this surge with caution. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Factors like regulatory changes, technological advancements, and market sentiment can swiftly affect prices. Investors should be aware of these risks and approach their investment strategies with due diligence. As we look ahead, the big question remains: is this surge sustainable? Will Bitcoin continue its upward trajectory, or is a correction imminent? While it's difficult to predict the future with certainty, one thing is clear: Bitcoin continues to solidify its position not just as a pioneering cryptocurrency, but as a serious contender in the financial world. Its journey is emblematic of the broader cryptocurrency market's potential and resilience, a testament to the evolving landscape of digital finance. For more insights and updates on Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrencies, make sure to subscribe and follow our channel. Stay tuned for our next deep dive into the dynamic world of digital currencies.